Hi and welcome to our short clip on how to use the Vernier LabQuest stream to collect your data when you come on camp. Alright, so first up, here is a list of all the different probes that we have available to use on the island. To get started, you need your LabQuest stream and your iPad. Okay, we have a variety of probes. They look like this. There's an Anemometer. What else we got there? Conductivity probe, and nitrates and pH and soil moisture, etc. All our kits come in buckets, okay, and we can put the probes that you need into a bucket with some collection jars. This is really important. On this little yellow piece of paper, it has the instructions on how to get started with your LabQuest stream. Make sure that those pHs are stored upright. Alright, so there's 4 buckets, so we can have 4 kits at once. Okay, so let's get started on what we need to do. So turn on your iPad, open it up, open up the GW app as well. Turn on your LabQuest stream. Okay, now I'll open the app. Wait for it to start. Touch the top one, select device. Touch the top one again. Okay, then the LabQuest stream should pop up in this menu. Will come shortly. Sometimes it takes a little while. It's really important that you do it in the right order too, otherwise it doesn't seem to want to open. So do that, press done. Okay, my big fat fingers. Alright, so then grab your probe that you're going to use. Just sort of grab the anemometer. It's a nice easy one. Put it into one of the ports. Okay, and make sure that the probe that you're using turns up on the y-axis. Then use your probe. I'm just going to blow into it. Okay, press collect data at the top and you'll see that it starts to put your data into the graph. There's the wind speed. Nearly got it up to 5 meters per second. I should have blown a bit harder. Alright, when you finish, press stop. And it's finished collecting that data. Then you can manipulate the graphs, you can add things onto it. There's a whole suite of things that you can do with the graph, okay, depending on what you want to collect. Alright. You can move things around as well, and you can put your titles in, and there's lots of really good features on there. Okay, so once you've done that, okay, easiest way we've found to save it is if you do a screenshot, which I just did then save it to your photos on the iPad. Alright. Oh, you can also do all sorts of different things with tables as well. Okay, so then plug the iPad into your laptop, open up the iPad's folder, open up the DCIM folder, okay, and then you'll get all of the photos there, and you can just open up the one that you need, and then you can crop it and do what you need with it and insert it into your document. That I found is the easiest way of doing it. Cheers.